Welcome to MTBC Web EHR 2.0 tutorial for Meaningful Use Stage 2. How to achieve core and menu measures. In this tutorial, we will look at the core measure number 7, Patient Electronic Access. Let's open up the PDF from the CMS website. The objective of this measure is to provide patients the ability to view online, download, and transmit their health information within 4 business days of the information being available to the eligible professional. The measure requires more than 50% of all unique patients seen by the eligible professional during the EHR reporting period are provided timely online access to their health information within 4 business days. The second requirement for this measure is more than 5% of all unique patients seen by the eligible professional during the EHR reporting period or their authorized representatives to view, download, or transmit to a third party their health information. Now, the exclusion is any eligible professional who neither orders nor creates any of the information listed for inclusion as part of both measures, except for patient name and provider's name and office contact information, may exclude both measures. The second exclusion is any eligible professional who conducts 50% or more of his or her patient encounters in a county that does not have 50% or more of its housing units with 3 Mbps broadband availability, according to the latest information available from the FCC on the first day of the EHR reporting period, may exclude only the second measure. Now let's check the attestation requirement for this measure. The requirement for the first measure, the denominator would be number of unique patients seen by the eligible professional during the EHR reporting period. Numerator is the number of patients in the denominator who have timely online access to their health information within 4 business days. The threshold, the resulting percentage must be more than 50% in order for an eligible professional to meet this measure. The attestation requirement for the second measure, the denominator, number of unique patients seen by the eligible professional during the EHR reporting period. Numerator is the number of unique patients or their authorized representatives in their denominator who have viewed online and downloaded, transmitted to a third party the patient's health information. The threshold is the resulting percentage must be more than 5% in order for an eligible professional to meet this measure. Now let's go to the MTBC PHR website to see how this measure is achieved. MTBC creates PHR websites for all its clients. The PHR website allows the electronic access to the patient. The patients can register on the website using their email address. Now let's log in using the patient account. Once you log in, the patient will be able to see the main page of the PHR website. Since this measure requires the patient to view, download, and transmit their health information electronically, the patient can move the cursor to My Account, where a drop-down menu will appear. Here, the patient needs to click Export CCDA Data to view the health information. Once clicked, the page will open detailed health information of the patient, which was previously transmitted by the provider. From here onwards, the patient can easily view and download the health information. In order to download, the patient will scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Download. The patient has two options to download. 1. The patient can download the file in a human-readable PDF format, and 2. The patient can download the file in XML format. Let's download both files, one by one. Now comes the third part of the measure, which requires the patient to transmit the health information electronically. To transmit the health information, the patient can click My Secure Messages, now click Compose New, and then click Direct Messaging. Here they can put in the email address of the provider, subject, and anything they want. Retake. Here they can provide the email address of the provider, subject, and anything they want to type in the body of the message. To include the human-readable PDF format, click Choose File, and then you can easily select the file from your computer. Whereas in order to send the XML file, simply click Attach CCDA report, which is already available in the patient's PHR account. Now let's put in the email address, subject, and something in the body of the message so we can see how the message is transmitted. Once you click Send Message, the message will be transmitted electronically. This whole process fulfills the requirement of the measure. We hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions regarding meaningful use, please contact us at 732-873-5133 extension 308.